Good morning, YouTubers. Reporting live here, Matty Jack in Kahana, Maui. It's Wednesday morning, and we thought we'd come and check out the Gazebo restaurant. And as you can see by the line, it is a popular spot. They're open 7:30 to 2, so pretty much a breakfast only with a little lunch action. Looking to the north, there's Kapalua. Beautiful. A little rocky up here. Another gorgeous day here in Maui, Hawaii, where it's going to be today. Always got that north to south, east to west wind. Probably give this a shot another day. I'm sure as hell not waiting in line for a half an hour for frickin'